everyone, and welcome back to Hello English Podcast. It's Helen here, and today we have a very fun topic. We're going to talk about something extremely common in English conversations, small talk about the weather. People all around the world talk about the weather, but English speakers? Oh, we talk about it all the time. Some people say that we talk about the weather even more than we talk about food. And trust me, I really like food, so that says a lot.
Hi, friends. It's John. And yes, Helen is right. Weather small talk is basically a national hobby. It's something everyone understands. If you don't know what to say, if you feel shy, if there is an awkward silence, you simply look outside and comment on the sky. Boom! The conversation begins. It always works. It's like magic.
Exactly. And today, we want to explore this magical world of weather small talk. We'll share expressions, cultural notes, funny stories, and even some embarrassing moments. We'll talk about why people use small talk and why weather is one of the safest topics you can choose. It's like the universal hello.
Before we jump in, let's quickly explain what small talk actually means. Small talk is simple, friendly conversation about topics that are easy, light, and not very personal. For example, the weather, the weekend, sports, or something happening around you. We don't use small talk to share deep secrets or big problems. We use small talk to connect, to feel comfortable with another person.
Exactly. Small talk is a way to say, I'm friendly. I respect you. I want this moment to feel pleasant. It's like social glue. Not very important by itself, but extremely important for human connection. And the easiest small talk topic of all is the weather. Why? Because everybody experiences it. It's neutral, it's safe. Nobody is going to get angry because you said, nice weather today, isn't it?
Well, unless the weather is terrible. Then they might say, "What do you mean nice? It's freezing." But even that is friendly. Believe me, Americans complain about the weather like it's our full-time job. Too hot, too cold, too windy, too humid, too dry. We always find something to say.
You know what's funny? When I first moved to the city where we live now, I didn't know anyone. And the first conversations I had with neighbors were all about the weather. Literally, every time we met in the elevator, someone said, wow, it's chilly today. Or, oh, beautiful sunshine today. And that's how we slowly got to know each other.
Same for me. When I was a kid, my grandmother used weather small talk as a strategy. She was very social, but she met many strangers every day at the bus stop. So she always started with the same line. Looks like rain today. Sometimes it really looked like rain. Sometimes it absolutely didn't, but people always smiled and replied. It worked every time.
Let's talk about the classic weather lines. The first one is very simple. Nice weather today, isn't it? This sentence is like a warm handshake. Polite, easy, neutral. Even if the weather is only okay, people still use it. They just want to start a friendly conversation.
Another one you'll hear a lot is, "It's a bit chilly today," or "It's a bit warm today." The funny thing is that English speakers love adding softeners like a bit, kind of, sort of, a little. Even when it's absolutely freezing, we say, "It's a bit cold." Why? Because we try not to sound dramatic.
Oh, John, do you remember the time you visited Minnesota in winter? John came back and said, it was a bit cold. And I looked at the weather report. -22 Celsius. A bit? That's not a bit cold. That's my face is going to fall off cold.
I was trying to be polite. But yes, Minnesotan winters are famous. People there are totally obsessed with the weather report. Every TV station has a meteorologist, and they love talking about the forecast, the humidity, the wind chill. Wind chill is not just cold temperature. It's how cold it feels because of the wind. For example, -5 degrees can feel like -15 if there's a strong wind.
That's actually a great example of cultural small talk. In cold regions, the weather is more than conversation. It's survival strategy. But in warm places, people complain in a different way. Like in Florida, everyone says, "It's not the heat, it's the humidity." That means the temperature is high, but the real problem is the air is so wet and heavy that you feel sticky and uncomfortable.
Speaking of humidity, one summer I visited my cousin in Louisiana. The humidity was so bad that when I walked outside, my glasses fogged up instantly. It looked like I came out of a sauna. A man walking by said, "Hot one today, huh?" And that was it. Small talk. Two strangers bonding over suffering.
That's the beauty of weather small talk. It creates a tiny moment of connection. Even if it's just 5 seconds, it's enough to make life feel a bit more human. And because it's safe, people also use weather when they're uncomfortable or nervous. Imagine you meet your boss's boss in the hallway. You're not going to say, "So, how's your marriage?" You say, "Wow, it's really windy today."
Or the classic emergency line, "Crazy weather we're having." This works in any situation. Someone is upset, talk about the weather. Someone is shy, talk about the weather. Someone is angry, talk about the weather. It's like a universal reset button.
Here's another fun cultural detail. British people talk about the weather even more than Americans. In the UK, weather is basically a national obsession. Someone once said that British weather changes so fast that you can experience 4 seasons in one day. And British people love saying, "Lovely day, isn't it?" Even when it's raining, especially when it's raining.
In fact, in London, if it is not raining, people celebrate. I once heard a British man say, "The sun is shining today. I don't know what to do with myself." That was small talk, but also pure emotion.
Weather small talk can even be funny. In my family, we joke a lot about the weather app. My aunt checks it 12 times a day, as if the app is going to give her a surprise present. One day she said, "Helen, the weather app says it will rain at 2 o'clock." I looked outside, and it was raining at 1:59. She screamed, "It's accurate!" We still laugh about that.
You're right. Weather apps are a whole world of small talk by themselves. People compare apps. My app says rain. Well, my app says sun. And then nobody trusts either of them. But they still check again. Small talk plus technology equals endless entertainment.
Another important point is that weather small talk can be a politeness strategy. For example, when you enter a store and the cashier says, "Staying warm today," they're not really asking. They're just being friendly. It's a small moment of kindness.
And when you leave a store, they often say, "Have a great day and stay dry." It means, "I hope you don't get caught in the rain." It's small talk, but it feels sweet and personal.
Let's review the most useful small talk expressions. We want you to feel confident and natural when you talk to someone about the weather. So now we will give you 7 simple phrases you can use to start a conversation. They are easy, friendly, and perfect for beginners. After each phrase, we will pause for one moment so you can repeat after me. Are you ready? Great, let's do it.
Phrase number 1. Nice weather today, isn't it? Repeat after me. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Phrase number 2. Wow, it's really cold today. Repeat after me. Wow, it's really cold today.
Phrase number 3. It looks like rain. Repeat after me. It looks like rain.
Phrase number 4. Beautiful day, isn't it? Repeat after me. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Phrase number 5. Hot one today, huh? Repeat after me. Hot one today, huh?
Phrase number 6. Crazy weather we're having. Repeat after me. Crazy weather we're having.
Phrase number 7. Staying warm today? Repeat after me. Staying warm today?
Excellent. These 7 sentences alone can help you start a friendly conversation anywhere, at a bus stop, in a store, with a neighbor, or with a coworker. But once the conversation begins, you will also need some phrases to continue it. Let's practice helpful follow-up sentences you can use during small talk.
Here are a few natural examples. It's supposed to warm up later. Yeah, they say it might rain this afternoon. I wasn't ready for this cold. I love sunny days like this. It feels more humid than yesterday. Hopefully the weather gets better soon. Looks like it will stay windy all day. Repeat after me. Choose any one you like and say it out loud.
And remember, small talk is not about deep or complicated ideas. It's about connection, a quick smile, a friendly moment. When you talk about the weather, you're really saying, I see you. I'm friendly. Let's make this moment comfortable. John, yesterday I was at the playground with my friend and her little boy. While the kids were playing, 2 parents near us started a small conversation about the weather. It was simple, friendly, and honestly, very sweet. So I thought it would be helpful if we show our listeners how small talk sounds on a playground. Let's pretend we're 2 parents who don't know each other, watching our kids play for the first time. Ready?
Absolutely. Let's do it. I'll start by pretending to watch my kid on the swing. Oh, hi there. Your little one looks like they're having a great time today. Nice weather for the playground, isn't it?
Yes, it really is. I'm so happy it warmed up a bit. Yesterday was way too windy, and the kids couldn't play outside at all.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. My daughter was so disappointed yesterday. We opened the door, felt that cold wind, and immediately went back inside.
Same here. Today feels perfect. Sunny, but not too hot. Just right for running around and getting all that energy out.
Yes, definitely. Honestly, on days like this, the playground is my best friend. If the weather is good, my kid can play for an hour and go home happy and tired.
Oh, that's the dream. And I think the weather is supposed to stay nice until the afternoon. At least that's what my weather app says. Although my app isn't always the most trustworthy.
Same here. My weather app loves to lie. Yesterday it said sunshine, and then it rained for 20 minutes while we were walking to school.
Exactly. It's unpredictable. But at least today seems calm, and the kids are enjoying every second of it.
For sure. And I like mornings like this. Cool breeze, a bit of sunshine, some parents chatting, kids laughing. It's a nice break from the busy week.
I agree. Honestly, small talk on the playground feels so natural. You don't need anything complicated. You just talk about the weather, how much energy kids have, and how nice it is to be outside after a cold day.
Exactly. It's friendly, relaxed, and simple. Well, looks like my daughter wants to go to the slide now. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Enjoy the sunshine while it lasts.
You too. Have a great day.
Before we say goodbye, let's encourage our listeners. If you want to communicate in English with confidence, practice these simple lines every day. Say them out loud. Repeat them while walking. Try them with someone you know. Try them with someone new. Small talk is a small step, but it creates big progress.
Thank you for joining us today. You're doing amazing work. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep going. See you next time on Hello English Podcast.